Please keep your belongings with you at all times.
Opo.
Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Ha?
Nag-aaral ako ng Tagalog.
Bakit? Meron kang kilalang Filipino?
Do you just have a good interest in languages?
Oh, really?